everyone, hello and how are you? I hope everybody doing well. I'm good, and today we've got nice weather again. I am so happy, so I just washed my hair. I just dried them with the Dyson, and I have to do makeup because I feel like this is like you're not wearing anything on the face, so it is same with me. I just need some colors. This is like I feel that I have nothing, just little tiny eyes and things like that, so we have to do something. My makeup, it isn't finished. I forgot about the eyelash, the mascara situation. So it's gonna be just one thing more. And well, what it is about the makeup, just do not put too much. This is really important, just not too much. I'm always trying to make the day makeup, and usually it's just the finish results. It is like the evening makeup. It is just always happens. I don't know how, but it is. So I've got a few summer outfits. I will make the H&M a little haul too. I would like to show you just jackets I've got and everything. So it's gonna be really great video, I hope. And well, I know that you love my vlogs, so we can finish now the eyelashes. For this I'm using the extension volume. I don't have any extension, but this is just the name of the mascara. This is just the extension volume of the Eveline or Eveline. Actually, I don't know how I should pronounce it. As you can see, I still got my allergy, and on my finger it is a little bit better, but I don't know if you have the same. Let me know in comments what it is, because I don't know, I don't have really time to go to the doctor. Anyway, they just, you know, make the things easy. They will just give me some creams, this steroid creams or something like that. I don't want to use any medication. I just want to find why this happens, and I can avoid the things. Sometimes I think that this is some liquids, and usually when I'm cleaning bathroom, I think that there is so this lime scale products, and this is the reaction that instantly I feel like my skin, it is burning, and this is like the itchy burning sensation. So not really nice. Also, I would like to say a few things about the unboxing thing. Some people, I'm not here to make someone jealous. I'm not here just to make someone angry. If you don't like the unboxing, or you don't feel that you like my videos, just don't. But all I would like to say, I am here just to inspire you, just to give you my energy, just to make you smile. And first, number one thing, it is the inspiration, and just my videos may inspire you, may motivate you. Just, I don't know, this is how I look and how I dress. this is like really, it can be interesting, I think, the inspo for someone. And this is like, I'm always showing you the new things, the new trends, and all the things that I am interested in. So it is really, I think, important to just don't be jealous, don't be angry, and don't hate, because this will come back to you. This means nothing to me. Your jealousy or your hate or your anger mean nothing to me. I don't feel that. And just please remember that this will just ruin your day. This will just damage your mental health, not mine. So it is just, let's share the happiness, let's share just good things, let's just make the day better. And I'm so happy when I can see many comments that I make your day better, just when you can see the video in the morning with the coffee, and just you can have really some inspirations. And just, if not, just you can see what is my outfit of today, or the unboxing things, or sometimes the surprises with the unboxing, like the fails or things like that. This everything may happen, and I'm always telling you how I how I deal with the problems when I got any order. For example, with the H&M, I know that I've been waiting over a week until they sent a parcel, but I'm not pushing anything. This is like I'm waiting patiently, and just waiting for the parcel to arrive. And this is it. I know that they've got so much work, and this is now the holiday time, so many people got the holidays, and just we have to wait. And this is it. Unfortunately, not whole order arrive, and well, sorry, I have to just focus on my eyelashes, just to make them nice and long. Like, I don't know if you have seen the Rihanna when she has done her eyelashes, and she's telling about the nice, long and thick, and she started laughing. It is so crazy, but she is crazy. I love this woman. Very just positive vibes of Rihanna. She is just wonderful. So I've got another mascara, which is the extension volume, but this is, well, like double effect of the pink one. So the red, it is good, but not really. Oh my god, what is that? Insects on my windows. Ew. I don't know. Like today it is so hot. And eyelashes are very important because they open in your eye. So I don't know how many parcels I got. I didn't count them, but they will be like the H&M, Karen Milan, and more. And I've got something new again, so it's gonna be, I hope, interesting. And do you know, I've got about, I don't know, 20 or 30 blazers, but I ordered another one, and I've got a blazer that is gonna be really fantastic. Camera check. I done hoovering my floor, so now it's nice and clean. I can walk in my boots, because you know that always in boots I can feel anything on the floor, it just left or something. So now I just wanna prepare myself for the H&M haul. It's gonna be really great. I've got amazing leggings, just try them on, and maybe I will keep a few, we will see. I just wanna check the quality. Price, the sale and prices was just wonderful. It was like just less than €10 price for the each leggings. So I've got 5 pairs, and I think if I shouldn't make the separate video just for the H&M leggings, but maybe not, we will see. I will check how many things I've got inside, so probably I will just keep these boots for tomorrow, and we will just make the video for tomorrow. So now it's gonna be a big preparing for those all things there. And I've got a few things more to show you, but I will make just the separate videos. I don't want to make this video super long, and then I will just make it. And I think that I will see if I will make any more videos today to this vlog, like maybe the super quick shopping, or I don't know. I've got a message also that I can just pick up my new glasses. I can't wait for these super expensive ones, because they are frameless, so just the lenses, I really had to pay a lot for them, but I hope they will be worth it, and it's gonna be just, I will look just stunning in them. I just hope so, but we will see. It's, you know, it will be just so painful if I will pay for these glasses and I won't be wearing them. It's just waste of money. They cost really a lot, so I just don't want to waste my money, because it is like, you know, every penny, every cent, even just the, you know, like with the H&M, I don't have any problem just to send back the whole order if I don't like everything, especially that they didn't send me everything. And I found really a very nice sunglasses that they look like the Celine, sold out unfortunately. I placed the order with them, but they didn't send me. So also I had a fantastic hair clip, just a really nice large oval hair clip with the gold tones, perfect for summer, perfect for my hair now. Just do clip something on them, because I got a hair clip, but it is silver and it is quite heavy. So, but I will try find something again, so we will see. So for now, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. If I won't make any video anymore today, and see you soon in the next one. So it will be the H&M.